So, if you felt even a little bit of whiplash trying to keep up with the crazy explosion of AI tools, trust me, you are not alone. It feels like every single tech giant is rolling out a new AI assistant, and it's pretty tough to know where you should even start. In this explainer, we're going to lay it all out for you, a clear map to the four biggest players so you can figure out which one is the right one for you. And that's the big question, right? The options can feel a little overwhelming, and it seems like there's a new AI tool launching every single week. So, how do you actually pick one? Well, by the end of this, you're going to have a really clear answer. Okay, so here's probably the most important thing to get your head around right at the start. There is no single best AI. It just doesn't exist. The real goal here is to understand what each one does best so you can find the right tool for the right job. It's all about experimenting a little bit and discovering what you personally care about most. Is it creative power? Is it rock solid data privacy? Or is it just how easily it plugs into your day-to-day life? To help you figure that out, our little tour today has three parts. First, we're going to take a look at the four major platforms. Then, we'll help you figure out which one to start with. And finally, we'll go through a super important security checklist to make sure you're keeping your data safe. All right, let's kick off our tour. We're going to check out the four heavyweights in the AI world, and we're going to break down exactly what makes each one special and what you need to know before you even think about making an account. First up, it's the one you've definitely, almost certainly heard of, ChatGPT. Right now, it is the most popular, widely used AI platform on the entire planet. And its huge popularity is actually a feature in itself. Because if you ever get stuck or have a question, there's this massive online community with tons of tutorials and answers, all just a quick search away. So ChatGPT works on what they call a freemium model. The free version? It's incredibly powerful, and honestly, it's more than enough for most people just starting out. The only real catch is that it can slow down a bit when everyone's trying to use it at once. Now, for $20 a month, the Plus subscription gets you access to OpenAI's fancier, more advanced models, much faster speeds, and you get to try all the new features before anybody else. Okay, let's talk about privacy, because this is a really big deal. By default, and this is the key word, OpenAI can use your conversations to help train its future AI models. Now, you can turn this off in your settings, but it's so important to know that the default setting is opt-in, which means your data is being shared unless you go in there and actively tell it to stop. So, if that whole data sharing part of ChatGPT makes you feel a little uneasy, then you are definitely going to want to meet our next contender, Claude. It's made by a company called Anthropic, and they are really known for their focus on AI safety and, you guessed it, user privacy. Just like ChatGPT, Claude has both free and paid plans. And you know what? Its free version is surprisingly generous. You get a really capable model that's great for everyday stuff. And then for $20 a month, the Pro version just gives you more usage, and access to Anthropic's most powerful, most sophisticated model. And this, right here, this is Claude's biggest selling point. The stuff you talk about on the free plan is not used for training data. That is a huge difference from ChatGPT's default setting, and it really makes Claude the go-to choice for anyone who puts a big premium on their data privacy. All right, our third stop is Microsoft's baby, Copilot. And if there's one word to remember for Copilot, it is integration. It's literally designed to live inside the Microsoft products that you probably already use every single day, like Windows, the Edge browser, and of course, Microsoft Office. So what do you get? Well, it has real-time web search built right in, which is awesome for asking questions about things that are happening right now. And maybe the best part of all, it's completely free. Microsoft is basically betting that having it already there, ready to go, will make it the easiest choice for you. Okay, our final stop on this tour is Google's Gemini. And listen, if you thought Copilot's integration was deep, oh, just you wait. Gemini is purpose-built for people who live and work inside the Google universe. I mean, just think about this. You could ask Gemini to summarize a super long email thread without ever leaving Gmail. Or you could have it help you write a report right there inside a Google Doc. That level of in-app convenience is it's unmatched. And right now, it's totally free for anyone with a Google account. Okay, wow, that was a whirlwind tour. So now we get to the big question. With all these choices, which one should you actually start with? Let's break it all down and make this decision really, really simple. So here they are, all side by side. ChatGPT is the best all-arounder, perfect for just general use. Claude is your pick if privacy is your absolute top concern. Copilot is kind of a no-brainer for heavy Microsoft users. And Gemini is the clear winner for anyone deep in the Google world. And look at the price. 2 are freemium and 2 are totally free. So here's the bottom line. Don't overthink it. It's actually pretty simple. If you just want a simple, powerful place to start, try ChatGPT. If privacy is number one on your list, go with Claude. If you live your life in Microsoft products, Copilot's for you. And if your world runs on Google, start with Gemini. Honestly, the most important step is just to pick one and start playing around. Now, before you rush off to sign up, we have to cover one last super critical topic: security. It doesn't matter which platform you choose, you have to use it safely and responsibly. So here's your checklist. These are absolutely non-negotiable. Please use a password manager to get a strong, unique password. Turn on two-factor authentication. All four of these platforms offer it. The second you sign up, go review the privacy settings. And just be really mindful about what you're pasting into that chat box. And I really, really want to emphasize this next point. There is some information that you should simply never, ever, ever share with a consumer-grade AI tool. I don't care what their privacy policy says. This means things like passwords, bank account numbers, secret company info, your personal health records, or any identifiable information about other people. You can always take out the sensitive details if you need help with a concept, but never ever just paste the raw sensitive data directly into the chat. And there you have it. That's your practical guide to the 4 biggest AI platforms out there. You now have a map of the territory, you understand the key differences, and you've got a security checklist to keep you safe. The only real question left is, where are you going to start exploring?